Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Tamiya. This is the German aircraft power supply unit and Kettenkraftrad in 1/48 scale. And this is part of their 1/48 military miniature series number 33. So here on the front cover, we can see our stock image, description, as well as a little bit more information, other languages here and there. Continue on the edges, barcode, more images to help you model it, more information in other languages, as well as some other kit items as well listed here. And this is from 2006. Continuing on the edge box flaps, this is item number 32533 dash 200, I believe. Made in Philippines. A little bit more information as well as other models included here if you want to model a whole 1/48th diorama. And yeah, again, this is item 32533 1200. Correction there. On the back cover, we can see here more photos of a possible finished diorama, not including, of course, the airplane. But we do have some information on the figures, as well as more paint information on the vehicle itself, as well as more information in other languages. Let's go ahead and get this open. So that's about all we have in there right there. I do notice the flaps are black to continue the box sides there. We do have the extra information sheet in multiple languages, as well as the parts. I can already see a decal set, a very small one, floating throughout there. Trees are still in the bag, and this is your instruction set, kind of the long fold-out style. Again, German aircraft power supply unit and Kettenkraft. Item 32533. Information in multiple languages, as you can see there. Some of the recommended tools and other items you will need to complete the set. And then beginning the style of instructions with the parts numbers, accompanying text in multiple languages. Continuing on the other side as well. Quite a bit going on here until you get to the final steps here, as well as more information on aftermarket service, as they say there, so you can submit for more information at the time, catalogs, questions, whatever. But taking a very quick look here, let's see at the trees. You can see here they do include what appears to be a hose item as well to help connect the units. You see here some of the figure as well as wheel and part details. It is pretty fine for 1/48th. Kettenkraftrad tracks there. Again, more figure details from both sides. But again, taking a very quick look at something from Tamiya, German aircraft power supply unit and Kettenkraftrad in 1/48 scale from the military miniature series number 133, again 1/48. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review meter reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.